Hello, what's up guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Beast Update. In today's video we are going to check out why Gboard is the best keyboard app on the Play Store. But before that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Let's start the video. As you know guys, Google keep adding new things to the Gboard. That's why it is number one on the Play Store. With the new update, you can use two emojis and it will make amazing mashup stickers which you can use in your chats. This mashup feature is available in the beta version, so you have to join beta version from the Play Store and then you can install this version on your device and you can use these stickers in your chats. You can add different new stickers by tapping on the plus icon. There are a whole bunch of new stickers which makes Gboard more exciting to use. You can use the stickers in your chats and messages, and all these stickers are free to use. The emoji bar above the Gboard collects all the recent used emojis which you can access easily directly from. The searching feature of the Gboard is my personal favorite, as you can search different things directly from the Gboard. You don't have to go anywhere else or download the stuff. You just can use this directly from the Gboard by searching it. And you can use these gifs and videos and the images in your chats. And one thing that I personally like, that you can use this Gboard to update your status on the WhatsApp. This feature is for the larger screen devices, and as you know, this time a lot of smartphones are making larger screen devices and people like to buy them, and it is very difficult to type on the larger screen devices with one hand. You just have to turn on the one-handed mode, and now you can type from one hand. And you can also adjust the size of this as according to your choice, which make you easier to type on. There are different colorful themes in the settings which you can use on Gboard, and yeah, you can also use your image as theme of the Gboard. You have to go in the setting and then to the themes, and you can download these themes for your Gboard. The translation feature is the Gboard one of the best feature among all, which make texting easier when you are talking to someone who don't understand your language. You just need to select the language which you want to translate, and Gboard will do the rest of your work. And you can also use this voice typing feature if you don't want to type anything. By the way guys, if you like my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.